The purpose of this video is to show users of Windows 11 how they can connect to an Epson Wireless Projector. In order to do so, they will open the iProjection 3.0 software. To find the software, click the Windows Start button and choose All Apps. Once all apps are chosen, you can scroll down to the Epson Projector folder. Inside of this folder, you will find the Epson 3.0 software. On the initial opening of the program, users will be prompted with a dialog box. Choose Advanced Connection Mode and make sure that you check that this is the connection mode that will be preferred. Choose OK. Now that the program has opened, you will want to choose Manual Search and type in the IP address. Note, the projector must be turned on and in LAN mode in order to see the IP address. Once the IP address is entered, click Search. Your projector should appear, and at this point, you can click Join for the connection to begin. After initial connection, users can create a shortcut to make life a little bit easier. Open the Epson iProjection 3.0 software. Right-click on the projector. Choose Create Shortcut. On the left side of the dialog box, choose Desktop. Create a name for the projector. People like to use room number as an option. And choose Save. Now, on the user's desktop of Windows 11, a shortcut will appear with the room number that the projector is located in, and that can be double-clicked as a way to connect the projector without having to enter the IP address. Double-click on the shortcut that was created. The Epson Projection software will open, and users can click Join to connect to their projector. If you have any questions, please reach out to your tech integrator for more assistance.